Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you the work of our scanner. I am now on one of the accounts where trading has been going on for 2 days already since March 18, and every week I'll show you the statistics of traders and what we have at the moment. So now we see our portfolio on the main page. There is quite a lot of video on the scanner review, so I'll not focus on this now. As you can see, we have a total balance of almost $10,000 here. If we go into the portfolio, we will see that we have in approximately equal shares divided by different exchanges. Also here we can buy or sell various coins. This is not really interesting for us. Let's talk about arbitrage trading. We have two settings here. One setting is for a currency pair that is USDT BTC, USDT Ethereum, USDT Litecoin and USDT Ripple. There are two exchanges involved, EXMA and Kraken. That is, we recommended talk those two exchanges for currency pairs. You can also see how the settings are made here. If you put it on the automat, then everything will graded work for you and show a good result. The second setting is made for Binance, Bittrex, HitBTC and Huobi exchanges. And here are the coins that we have in the portfolio. That is, those are cryptocurrency pairs, and on the settings you can also see here. To do this on this page, go down a little lower, and here are all the settings that are recommended to do for cryptocurrency pairs. And in principle, everything here works well for us. We can close this window, and now I will show you the statistics. How to choose coins? I'll say briefly. Here in the dashboard section, we go to the arbitrage desktop.
Мы заходим в арбитражный рабочий стол. Сейчас у меня подлагивает программа немножко. Арбитражный рабочий стол.
And we see bars where we have coins. For example, BTC USD, if we look at the line, then this in the Bittrex exchange, EXMA, basically it is Kraken EXMA. And now we see that Bitcoin is cheaper on the Bittrex exchange and EXMA is more expensive in this case. That is, if you look at today, you can start USD on Bittrex to buy Bitcoin and on EXMA start Bitcoin. And then arbitration will occur. You can do this with the exchanges Kraken and EXMA, and that is how you look at each coin. Where cheaper you send Bitcoin in order to buy this coin, or send USD if it concerns a currency pair, and where there is more expensive we send the coin that we need to sell. I think that the meaning is clear. And on the left you can see the trade history. Here we see that 2 days since March 18 and today we have March 20. Our software made almost 4% of the amount of $3,488. That is $144 yield. It is important to understand that not all of deposit works because we have not consecuted all the coins yet. Just want to say that those statistics are not objective because objective statistics is done for half a year. But since many ask us for statistics on our software, we recommended this video. Who wants to, of course, can wait a month or half a year. But for me personally, there are already enough examples that is all works. Same deals are still in the closing stage. For example, if we make a couple of GMT BTC and see how it is all works, then we see that this deal is 100% closed. Let's take a closer look at it. As we see on the Binance exchanges, we sold GMT at a price of $27.48 and at the same time at HitBTC we bought cheaper at the price of $27.37. And then we did the opposite operation for $27.4. We sold it and for $27.42 we bought. That is, they did the opposite. We see that here we have a yield on the transaction of 0,35%. At first glance, not much, but since in one day our software does a lot of such transactions, the day yield is higher. And here we see that our bidding began on March 18. Here not all deals have been closed, but of course when the market triggers back, deals will close. It's important to understand that arbitrage transactions may not close on the same day because the position is opened on a certain day, then the market goes up and down, and deals can close in 1-2 days. All of course depends on the settings, but those settings that I showed you already work well, and within a week your arbitrage deals are closed and the profit is fixed. Friends, so we will continue to see how everything works. Anyone who needs trading on this software, everyone who has already bought software and doesn't know how to configure it, please contact me. We will show and tell everything, and every week I will share with you the result. Friends, if you liked this video, like and write comment. I will immediately say that I'm not a professional trader, therefore I will work as a novice, and as a newcomer I will show you the result, and the result make me happy. Everything works on the automatic. I don't need to do any manually. The only thing you need to do from the very beginning is the correct settings. Choose the right exchange and choose the right coins, because for currency pairs, for USDT and Euro, the two exchanges that work best are Exmo and Kraken. For cryptocurrency pairs, Binance, Bittrex, HitBTC and Huobi exchanges work. In our software, the exchanges will also be added, and as far as everything is going to happen, we will show and tell you. Friends, thank you for your attention and see you later. Goodbye.